Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today, first we'll discuss the global market and then I will discuss some important news also. I will share some news also, and then as usual Nifty 50, Nifty bank level for the next week, and then I have got a stock, blue chip stock, monopoly stock which is available on 43% discount. So, to find out the stock name, stay connected till then and hit the like button now only. Let's start with the global market. Just let's check out. See, on Friday, our Nifty Bank Sensex every index was down, down, down. Number one, even more than 1% it was down. Nifty 50 was 1% down, Sensex was more than 1% down, and even the Nifty Bank was almost 2% down. And then, if you will go to the global market, it is also showing negative and it was also down even more than 1%. DJI 1%, more than 1%. Nasdaq more than 1.76%. So everything, this is 1.45, 1.5%. The global market was showing negative sign. What was the reason? The Silicon Valley Bank SVB, which is listed in Nasdaq, and it was down by more than 60%. Means 60% down is not an easy thing in one day. And the reason was that because of interest rate hike, they have sold their bond in the market, on loss. Even they have sold on loss their bond, and they are even ready to sell their equity also, shares also. एसवीबी बैंक डाउन होने की वजह से the whole US market, global market, even Indian market was down, was negative. This was the main reason why market crashed in Indian market also and global market also. So we can expect more negativity in coming week. So be prepared for that. Now, one more important news related to India I want to share is that IIP growth data has come, which is IIP means Index of Industrial Production. Yes, IIP growth at up to 5.2% in January, means India's industrial output grew by 5.2%. This data has come on actually March 10th. And industrial growth as per the Index of Industrial Production IIP in December, it was 4.7%. So from 4.7%, now it has become to 5.2% in January, and data has come on 10th of March. So these two important news, in short, I covered it. Now we will discuss our Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank chart. So now we have come to the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 is trading on 17,400. Even you can see on chart last week, my last video I have given the level of support of Nifty 50. It was 17,600. Even I discussed that if it's breaking it, it's definitely going to 17,300. And see, it has touched almost 17, and see it has touched almost 17,300 k aspas. Yes, so 17,300, after breaking it reached to 17,300. So it was on Friday, it was gap down opening, and it was very negative scenario on Friday. Even on Thursday also it has shown a very negative sign. Now, what can be the level for next week? Again, I am expecting, I will give the last video link on I button. You can check the level again. and again I am expecting the same support 17,250 के आसपास 300 250. So again 17,250 can be the support, but if it's taking reversal and going back again to this zone, then again it's going to face the resistance at 16,600, and then if it capable to break it, it can definitely reach to 17,800. So this is the small hurdle, which is 17,600. After breaking this, Nifty 50 can reach to 17,800. So the trading area for the next week for Nifty 50 can be 17,250 to 17,800. Now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank is trading at 40,500 somewhere. So same thing happened in Nifty Bank also. It has also opened a gap down. So, but on Friday, because of the news, because of the negative news, it opened gap down, and now it is trading at 40,500 के आसपास. And as earlier I have given the level, it was the same level in last week also, in last video also, which is 40,000. 40,000 पे इसने कई बार सपोर्ट लिया है. 1 2 3 4 5. So I am expecting again with the same level. It should not break it, and it should be 40,000 at least for next week. Even it is 200 EMA also, it should come till here. Otherwise, if it's taking reversal, it can reach to 41,600. Yes, it is again a resistance, and it can take resistance here and again start falling back. The trading range for the Nifty Bank for the next week can be 40,000 to 41,600. Yes, keep this level in your mind. So now I have come to the stock. Yes, this is a blue chip monopoly stock, and yes, it is available on 43% discount. Means एक large cap. इतना अच्छा स्टॉक इस समय आपको 43% डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा है. मतलब इतना गिर गया है इस समय स्टॉक, एंड इट इज एट इट्स गुड बाइंग जोन. मैं आई ऑलवेज टेक अ स्टॉक ऑन लॉन्ग वीडियो फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस एंड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म ओनली. So this stock is also large cap, good stock, and for long term only. You can buy it, you can keep it, you can hold it for a good returns, good wealth. So yes, this is a sector leader also. So yes, this is a stock. The dmart avenue supermart is owning company which operates dmart supermarkets on the name of dmart. Yes, और इनका बिजनेस ज्यादातर इधर वेस्टर्न इंडिया में ही ज्यादा है. Avenue Supermart is a retail chain that operates the supermarket called DMart, and the company operates 302 stores across the India. And this is actually the business of retail. और ये मोनोपोली है इनका, बिकॉज ये बहुत बड़ा इनका बिजनेस है. और रिलायंस रिटेल भी आता है, बट ये दिस इज अ एक्चुअली सेक्टर लीडर. सो आई विल डिस्कस इट्स फंडामेंटल एंड देन द बाइंग लेवल. और ये इस समय बहुत ही अच्छे बाइंग जोन पे अवेलेबल है. सो आई ऑलवेज सेलेक्ट दैट स्टॉक विच इज अवेलेबल, द लार्ज कैप, गुड फंडामेंटल, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक which is available at its buying level. So you can buy it here. Abhi I will discuss the fundamental first. You can check the fundamental here. Yes, I already discussed it is a large cap, and the market cap is 2,20,000 अराउंड, मतलब 2,20,000 के आसपास इनका मार्केट कैप है. स्टॉक पी इज 93.7. yes, and this is little bit overvalued. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छी कंपनी है, अच्छा स्टॉक है, तो थोड़ा सा वैल्यूएशन तो हाई रहेगा ही रहेगा, बट Ultimately the decision is yours. I have to only give the facts. It's little bit overvalued, but the stock is very good. Return on capital employed is almost 16%, which is very good. Return on equity is 11.5%, is a little bit concerned, but it's okay. ROE is 11.5%. डिविडेंड कंपनी बिल्कुल नहीं देती, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, ऑल द फैक्ट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। डिविडेंड कंपनी नहीं देती है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं देती है। डेट टू इक्विटी इज ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल। डेट फ्री कंपनी, this is that's what I say, it is a strong, fundamentally strong stock. First we should consider the debt, कंपनी पे डेट नहीं होना चाहिए या फिर नेग्लिजिबल होना चाहिए। And then operating profit margin is 9% around, and the EPS is also very good, check 36.2. dmart is trading at almost around 3400, 3400, and you will not believe, on October 21, yes, October 21, it was trading at even almost around 6000, 6000 से 3000, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 45% टू 50% भी, इवन यहाँ पर भी वो आ चुका था। यहाँ पे 45% प्लस 46% के आसपास डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा था। सो 6000 से कहाँ पहुँच गया, 3300, इट रीच टू 3300, 3200, तो इस समय पहुँच गया था 22 में। नाउ इट इज अगेन ट्रेडिंग एट द सेम प्राइस, सेम लेवल। सो इतना अच्छा स्टॉक क्यों गिर रहा है? बीच में तो इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक, एवरी वन नोज कितना इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक चल रहा था। देन इन्फ्लेशन, ओ माई गॉड, इन्फ्लेशन का एक सबसे बड़ा रीज़न था। एंड ऑलमोस्ट इट वॉज मीन्स एवरी कंपनी वॉज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड विद दैट। सो ये सब भी चल रहा है, और उसके अलावा कंपनी थोड़ा गिर भी रही है, गिर गई है, बट कंपनी का फंडामेंटल कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है। बस ओनली वन कंसर्न इज ROEs, बाकी एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज ओके। रिजल्ट ऑल्सो दे हैव पोस्टेड रिजल्ट, it was very good. So they are improving, and they are opening their outlets also. So now I will discuss current buying level. If you are getting this stock, even it is available on 3400 or 3300 तक भी I can expect, if it's coming on 3300 के आसपास, it's really very good, really very good buying zone for it. And 33,000, 3350 means 3350 के आसपास से लेके 3450 तक, यहाँ तक, यस, 3350 से 3450, इवन on 3500 also you can accumulate this stock in small chunk, small quantity, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, for long term, and this is the very good buying zone. It is facing a hurdle here at 3900, 3900 के आसपास एक हर्डल आता है, देन इट कम्स बैक अगेन, यहाँ जाता है, फिर वापस आ जाता है, फिर यहाँ पे भी जाता है, तो 4000 पे भी जाके वापस आ जाता है 4500 के आसपास। सो वी हैव टू सी इट, इफ आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दीज लेवल्स, जो कि इसके पुराने रेजिस्टेंस हैं, हियर एंड हियर, let it break it, and after breaking it, it can again reach to its all time high, which is 65900, 5900 something के आसपास। So the buying zone for the DMart Avenue Supermart is 3350 to 3450, even 3500, and I can expect the long term target after breaking the 3900 can be 4500, 3350 to 3450, even 3500 can be the buying zone for the DMart for the long term. And the long term target can be after breaking this resistance 3900 can be 4500 also. And if you are holding more, it can give you even more return, at least it can give you 6000, 5900 also. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video, and signing off.